Hello and welcome or welcome back. As many of you know, I am all about simplifying. I want my life to be as simple as possible so I have less stress. Today I want to talk about 10 hacks that you can use to kind of minimize your life. And to be honest, minimize equals simplify. So if you're wanting to simplify too, this video is for you. Hack number one, and I think so many of you can relate to this, trim your wallet. And what I mean is get rid of all the points cards, the dentist office cards, any card that is taking up so much room in your wallet that you're not actually using. So if it's something you use, keep it, but if it's something that you don't need right now, take it out. It is causing you more time just looking for the cards that you actually need. So a cluttered wallet is always going to rob you of time. So I highly recommend trimming it down. This one's super easy. Declutter duplicates. This is the easiest way to get started decluttering your space, which is going to make your life so much easier. So declutter duplicates, what a great place to start. Declutter extra scissors, extra books, extra journals, anything extra, sheets, towels, coats. It does not matter. If you have more than you need or if you have duplicates of the same or similar item, let them go. Your life will be so much easier, I promise. Eat higher quality foods. So this is tricky because there are so many delicious foods out there and you just want to eat them. I have just found that eating less of higher quality foods saves me so much money, but then I also don't fill up my pantry like I used to because these lesser quality foods, let's say, don't fill you up. So you need to eat more of them. So eating higher, denser, more like nutrient dense foods and eating more of that is gonna save you so much space and money. Having a weekly menu plan, I think seems pretty obvious, but I am telling you right now, I didn't always used to. I used to just kind of fly by the seat of my pants through the grocery store and I would end up with who knows what. So by getting a organized plan for my weekly menus, having a plan for my groceries has definitely helped me be more minimal in my shopping, which leads me to my next one. That is slash your grocery budget in half. Just try it one time. Slash your grocery budget in half. Be super mindful about the food that you're actually going to be bringing into your home, the meals that you're going to be making, and I am telling you, it's a good idea. You will not waste as much food and you will find you have so much more space in your fridge and pantry. You will have less guilt and it just makes, it's like the closet that doesn't have too many clothes. It's so much easier to get dressed. Well, when your pantry and your fridge are not crammed full of food, it is so much easier to make meals and snacks because you don't have as many options, which doesn't like leave you feeling overwhelmed. So just try it. I mean, cut it in half. That's what I did. And I thought I'll just try it for like a week and see what I think. I've had this half grocery budget for the past several months and I am absolutely loving it. I am gonna recommend going through your wardrobe every 6 months. And I feel like this one's really important because like I just mentioned, sometimes if we get too many options, it just becomes so overwhelming and we feel like we have no options. Knowing what you have in your wardrobe, knowing that inventory is also gonna save you money when you're out shopping for the new seasons and things that you actually do need and maybe even want. If you know you already have a plaid, tunic, then you're not gonna feel the need to go back out and buy another one. So keeping an eye on what you have in your closet as the seasons kind of roll over is really helpful just to not overbuy. And then I also feel like less options leads to easier choices when you're getting ready because everything in your closet is something you're currently loving, currently wearing, so it's just really helpful. And then along with this, I recommend only keeping the number of hangers of items that you want to have. So if you have 30 hangers in your closet just staring at you, it might be kind of tempting to go out and buy 30 things to fill the hangers. So I would remove hangers and you don't have to throw them away or donate them. Set them aside somewhere else in your home because you may end up using them, but at least they're not like glaring at you and you're not tempted to go out and buy more just to fill the space. This next hack is one that you actually gave me, a subscriber, and thank you so much. And that is Ohio. And what that stands for is only handle it once. This is brilliant. This is a strategy that I've actually talked about a little bit here on my channel, but it's worth a repeat. And I had never heard of this Ohio thing before, and that's just incredible. Only handle it once. If it's something that you pick up, you've gotta put it back where it goes. Otherwise, you're wasting your time just shuffling around items. So just try and get yourself in the habit of only handling an item once. It helps your home stay more clean because you're not just moving the mess from one area of your home to the next. Your house is actually getting tidied as you go throughout the day, because if you pick it up, you're putting it back where it goes. And that in the end just saves you tons of time. So this next hack is to, before you buy something, envision it in your life 6 months from now. Can you see it? Does it still fit your home, your style, your needs, your wants? If it does, awesome, go ahead and purchase it. But I think sometimes we think this is so amazing, I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna love it, but then we don't really look into the future. We kind of think of it just like right now. But I think looking into the future 6 months, and if you can not picture yourself using this item or even still loving this item, maybe you shouldn't get it, or maybe it's something that won't add value to your life. So that's a really, really good rule of thumb, just to kind of help you from over purchasing and from bringing more clutter potentially into your home that's just gonna add more stress. What are some of your favorite minimalist hacks or hacks for a clutter-free home or a more simplified life? I would love to know in the comments below. And then I've got a couple more videos here on the screen for you to check out. Thank you so much for being part of my day today, and I will see you soon. Bye.